Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. We're back today with another frequently asked question. So that frequently asked question is, what pressure should I use in a vapor honing? Now, it kind of varies for what you're doing. If you're just looking for a general clean and polish, you'd maybe want to use on the lower end of like a 60 or 70 PSI. All you're doing is generally cleaning and polishing your piece, so you're not going to need a full force 100 PSI behind that. You may just need 60 or 70, but if you have a little bit more aggressive cleaning to do, you may want to be at the 80-90 range. We recommend 60 to 100 PSI. 60 is where you're going to start to really be super effective with it, and then over 100 is just a little bit too much. It's going to really boil down to what abrasive you're using for what kind of job you're doing. And please stay tuned. We have plenty of videos on that. Check them out. Our number here is 828-202-5563. Call us if you have any questions.